Using this, your hair will never stop growing. Hello beautiful people, you are welcome to this channel once again. Today I want to teach you one of a great mask that is very good for your hair growth. It's going to make your hair to grow. It's going to soften your hair. It's going to make that hair to be shiny, darkened, lovely. You are going to love it when you are using it. If your hair is stuck, is not growing anymore, this is a great mask for you. This is going to make your hair to grow speedily. Your hair will not stop growing and you will have volume in your hair. So what are we going to use it today is zucchini and great pumpkin plant. So that is what you are going to be using today. You just cut it this way. Both of them are similar with zucchini, so this is very good. When you are using this, your hair will not stop growing. If you have been complaining my hair is too dry, it's not soft, I can't comb my hair, I don't know why my hair is not growing, this is going to help you. Every tips I'm just bringing out in this channel, just try and see it out. Be using the one you can't, you are going to love it. So the zucchini, we just cut it this way. I cut it with the skin. You have to wash it before doing this, okay? After doing that, we're going to be putting just water, nothing but water. You just add water to it. We're going to take it to the stove. We just put it there for like 10 minutes, okay? So guys, this is very good when your hair is not growing, when your hair is too strong. After some minutes, I bring it out. Sorry, the down just burned a little because I just don't know what happened. So 15 minutes, I blend it this way. So after blending it, the next thing is to take corn flour. If you don't want your own to be thicker, you just add only 1 spoon. If you want it to be thick, I want my own to be thick, I add 3 spoons. Okay, if you just want it not to be too much thick, 1 spoon is okay. So you just add it this way and take it back to the pot and take it to the gas too. So guys, as I was saying, this has a lot of nutrients that's going to stimulate your hair. It's going to make your hair to grow. We just turn it this way. After 3 to 5 minutes, you just add your oil to it, vegetable oil, the one you use to cook your stew, the one you use to cook your sauce at home. You just add it to it and just stir it this way. Are you seeing the way it is already? You just add it to your plate. That is just it. So simple as ABCD. It's so simple. And when you are adding this to your hair, add it to your hair and leave it for 30 minutes or 40 minutes. Wash it up and put the oil. Add the oil we have been making in this channel. Add it to your hair. You are going to see your hair growing stronger. So I just lose my hair. I did a protective style. Okay, you see the way it is right now. So I'm just putting it this way. If you want your own not to be stronger this way, you add 1 teaspoon of corn flour. So you just put it all over. I'm going to leave it for like 30 minutes to 40 minutes. You see the way it's very soft. Guys, this is good for your hair. If you have not been using it, you are missing out. Try it out. Your hair will not stop growing. If your hair is falling, it will stop falling. Your hair will be shiny. It will be so lovely. Even you yourself will be loving your hair. This is very good. You see the way it is. So your daughter can use it. You can use it as a mother. Anybody can use it, okay? Anybody can just use it. Cover it for 30 to 40 minutes and rinse it up. Add your cream. If you don't know how to make cream for hair, oil for hair, check down below. God bless you. I love you. I can't stop loving you. Share, like, subscribe.